Hallo, hallo, hallo. In today's video, we are exploring the top 20 German phrases you will need if you want to eat in a restaurant, cafe, or wherever you want. I will break down each of these phrases and explain them a little bit so that you can confidently use them during your next visit to a German-speaking country. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. First of all, and the most important question that you can use as many times as you want when you didn't catch the waiter is: Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you repeat that, please? This ensures that you understand everything clearly. Nummer 2. When making a reservation or just arriving at the restaurant, you can request a table by saying: Ich hätte gern einen Tisch für zwei. Ich hätte gern einen Tisch für zwei. I would like a table for two. Or adapt the number to your needs. Die Speisekarte bitte. The menu, please. Or you can also say: Kann ich die Speisekarte bitte haben? Can I have the menu, please? It's a polite way to request the menu and get you started. If you are as indecisive as me and have problems with choosing, just tell the waiter: Give me a few more minutes, please. Geben Sie mir noch ein paar Minuten, bitte. Geben Sie mir noch ein paar Minuten, bitte. Once you've made your decision, let the staff know you are ready by saying: Ich bin bereit zu bestellen. Ich bin bereit zu bestellen. I am ready to order. And this phrase is perfect for starting your order. Ich hätte gern. Ich hätte gern. I would like to have. So for example, ich hätte gern ein Kaffee. I would like to have a coffee. If you are unsure about what to order, asking the waiter for recommendation can be a great idea. So just ask: Was empfehlen Sie mir? Was empfehlen Sie mir? What would you recommend? And if you would like to order the same thing as your partner just did, just say: Kann ich das Gleiche bitte haben? Kann ich das Gleiche bitte haben? Can I have the same, please? If you are sensitive to spicy food or just curious, simply ask: Ist das Gericht scharf? Ist das Gericht scharf? Is this dish spicy? This helps you make informed choices instead of regretting afterwards for not asking in the first place. Vegetarians will find this phrase very useful. Gibt es vegetarische Gerichte? Gibt es vegetarische Gerichte? Are there vegetarian dishes? Or if you want to exclude other dishes because of your allergies, simply say: Gibt es etwas ohne A? Ich bin allergisch gegen A. Gibt es etwas ohne A? Ich bin allergisch gegen A. Meaning, is there anything without A? I'm allergic to A. For example, gibt es etwas ohne Nüsse? Is there anything without nuts? Opting for the daily special is easy with: Ich nehme das Tagesgericht. Ich nehme das Tagesgericht. I will have the dish of the day. If you're curious about the price of a particular item, you can ask: Wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? This is especially handy when the prices aren't listed. Staying hydrated is very important, and you can easily ask for water by saying: Ein Glas Wasser bitte. Ein Glas Wasser bitte. A glass of water, please. Once you've finished ordering, you can conclude with the simple: Danke, das ist alles. Danke, das ist alles. Thank you, that's all. If you need one more glass of your drink, simply say: Könnte ich bitte noch ein Glas Wein haben? Könnte ich bitte noch ein Glas Wein haben? Could I have another glass of wine, please? Of course, if you're searching for the restroom, the phrase Wo ist die Toilette? Wo ist die Toilette? Where is the restroom? Can be quite handy. Complimenting the chef or the dish can be easily done with: Das schmeckt sehr gut. Das schmeckt sehr gut. This tastes very good. When you are ready to leave, you will need to ask for the bill politely. So just say: Kann ich die Rechnung bitte haben? Kann ich die Rechnung bitte haben? Can I have the bill, please? When you are ready to pay but prefer to use your card instead of cash, simply say Ich bezahle mit der Karte. Ich bezahle mit der Karte. I pay with the card. So yeah, there you have it. I hope that these phrases will help you feel more confident during your next visit to a German cafe or restaurant. But please remember to practice them and you will be ordering like a local in no time. Let me know in the comments below which of these phrases you found the most useful, or if there's another scenario you would like to learn about. I actually have another video with top 20 German phrases. These are basic German phrases, so greetings, apologies, asking for the direction. Yeah, that's all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss a new video. Tschüss und bis bald! Are unsure about what to order, asking the unsure about asking the Ты башкой своей меня закрыл. Handy. Gern.